to power the life you live. Miso soup sings with tofu and sea, veggies and dashi in harmony. In Japan they softly say, eat your rice, it brightens your day. With miso soup, a treasure untold, the subtle taste of umami unfolds. Umami, that fifth grade flavor, born in Japan, a global savior. A taste that dances, that inspires, and spreads across the world's desires. Finally, in Japan they softly say, eat your rice, it brightens your day. With miso soup, a treasure untold, the subtle taste of umami unfolds. Every bowl is a sensory ride, pure flavors bring joy worldwide. So eat your rice, taste the harmony, and discover umami.